Reflect on someone you admire and what qualities of theirs inspire gratitude in you. Behind every person who learns to be strong, there is often someone who taught them how to keep going. For me, that person is someone I admire deeply, someone whose love and sacrifices I will forever be grateful for. When I think about someone I truly admire, I don't think about someone famous or someone who has achieved great things in the eyes of the world. I think about someone who has quietly made a difference in my life, someone whose strength I have witnessed, whose sacrifices I have seen, and whose love I have felt even during the moments when words were never enough. One of the qualities I admire most about her is her kindness. Her kindness reminds me that we never truly know what someone else is going through, so we should always choose to be gentle. I am also grateful for her patience. There were times when I made mistakes, doubted myself, or felt like I wasn't good enough, but instead of giving up on me, she reminded me that mistakes are part of growing. Sometimes, we don't realize how powerful it is to have someone who believes in us when we struggle to believe in ourselves. But those moments don't define us. What defines us is the decision to keep going. And whenever life becomes difficult, I think about the person who has shown me what it means to keep going, even when things are not easy. But no matter how far I go, I will always remember the person who helped shape the person I am becoming. And for that, I will always be grateful. Because sometimes, the people who inspire us the most are not the ones standing on a stage receiving awards. They are the ones standing beside us when nobody else is watching. The ones who encourage us when we are discouraged. The ones who stay when things get difficult. The ones who believe in us before we learn how to believe in ourselves. You have shown me that love can be strength, kindness can be courage, and perseverance can change a person's life. So whenever I face another difficult chapter, I will carry those lessons with me. I will keep moving forward. I will keep believing. I will keep becoming a better version of myself because your strength reminds me that I can be strong too. And for that, I will always be grateful.